Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to do the Elle18 ColorPop matte lipstick swatches, all 24 shades that were gifted to me by my best friend Kanika. So thank you so much Kanika for doing that for me. When we were selecting the shades, we realized it's only 100 rupees and we were like, oh my god, we're getting all of them. We realized that all the shades that were on the website and on Nykaa.com, they were different from each other. And then when they came in person, it was like a third shade. So you don't know what you're getting with Elle18. So that's why I decided to do a swatches video with all the shades so you guys know what it looks like in reality. And yeah, before we begin this video, please subscribe to my channel. The button is below because this video is gonna take me a good 6 hours to shoot and it's a lot of effort and I hope you guys appreciate it. So give this video a thumbs up as well. And without further ado, let's get into the video.
Creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
reason why my setup is different right now is because it is literally morning. I have shot the whole night with these swatches. I started around 2:30 and it is 8 o'clock in the morning right now, so I actually shot for 6 hours. And this is my actual lip color. Like, this is without lipstick because my lips are swollen AF and it's crazy, but I love doing this video and I really hope you guys like it. So just a little bit about the lipstick. It is a creamy matte lipstick, so it is creamy when you apply it, but then it dries down matte and it is very long lasting. You just have to touch up once and I'd say like about 7 hours and you're good. The only problem I have with these lipsticks is that the shades are so repetitive because there's so many reds and there's so many browns and there's so many mixtures of both that I have no idea what is what. And the shades are really misleading. So the last one that you saw was super pink. The name was super pink, but then the lipstick was actually like red or brown, and that is really like misleading. And a lot of these lipsticks are so different online, and then the real life shade that you get is so different. That's why I really thought I'd do this video, because it shows you guys exactly what the lipsticks are. For 100 rupees, I feel like these lipsticks are so worth it. I got them on Nykaa.com for I think 2,100 for all 24 lipsticks, because it was a 10% off on Axis Bank cards, and my best friend, she got it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment below and let me know your favorite shades. Let me know what you think of these lipsticks, because I think they're super repetitive, but then they're really good for 100 bucks. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I worked 6 hours filming this video, so I really hope you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.